If they're in a wet boot, they may have good coverage, but it's going to be freezing down there with the water that's congealed.
A cold snap is in Calgary, and overnight temperatures could be as low as -40. And health officials' advice is to stay inside as much as possible. But people that are houseless often end up outside for extended periods of time, putting them at risk for serious weather-related injuries. Dr. Eddie Lang says there are two big categories of injuries: hypothermia and frostbite.
If they have fingers and toes exposed to those cold weather elements for more than just several minutes, they can develop severe frostbite. And if not treated in a timely manner, that can, in its worst case, unfortunately, lead to gangrene and amputation. It's so important that we see these patients quickly because we do have good treatment.
The Alpha House helps people that may be turned away from other organizations because they are not sober, offering a range of services from emergency shelter to outreach.
Cold weather mixed with substance use, they don't always know that they're in that physical danger, right? They don't always know that there's that risk to their health or to their life.
Serious cold weather injuries leading to amputations is a concern amongst organizations that help the houseless in Calgary. Alberta Health Services stats show that in the 2021-22 fiscal year, 65 Calgarians received amputations due to frostbite, a jump from 19 in the previous year, affecting mostly unhoused people.
One of the difficulties, of course, with frostbite that can lead to amputation is if you come inside for small periods of time, but then go back outside, that's often worse for frostbite, right? You're really only supposed to sort of cover it and treat it when you know you're not going back into that cold. And that's just not something that, our folks and our clients can guarantee.
The City of Calgary, along with partners, including the Alpha House, offer extended services to get people out of the cold, including shuttling people staying along the C-train lines to shelter space.
Housing is just such a significant part of the conversation. And I think people who it's -35 outside and they have somewhere to go to that is safe and warm and private and it's their own, that cannot be overstated, like how critical that is for someone's life.
The Alpha House says people can be the eyes and ears for the society. If you see someone in need of non-medical emergency support, you can call the Alpha House outreach team to help connect individuals with shelter.
I think frostbite, especially as we go into this weekend of -30, can definitely set in after 10 or even 15 minutes. So people have to be really cautious and aware of their environment and seek shelter and rewarming when those kinds of conditions come up.
In Calgary, Danina Falkenberg, City News.